humans have built some incredibly expensive things throughout the history. From lavish skyscrapers to giant energy-producing dams, to technological marvels like the space shuttle. For most things, being expensive is an entirely relative term. However, when talking about the most expensive objects ever built, relativity goes out of the window. To create something like these, ultra-deep pockets of an entire nation are needed. This led the viewer to ask, what's the most expensive thing ever built? Don't worry, today we are going to tell you about the most expensive object ever built. Before we start the video, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to our channel. So, let's get started. Most people agree that the most expensive object ever constructed is the International Space Station. At a cost of nearly $160 billion, and it's rising as new sections are added. Only very few things even come close to its cost. Even among other pricey space ventures, it's an expensive price tag. To put that number in perspective, just over 10 years ago, NASA estimated the cost to send astronauts to Mars. Their rough estimates put the price of a human Mars mission in the ballpark of $40 billion US. Fortunately, the International Space Station's hefty price tag is shared among the many participating countries, which include Canada, the European Union, Japan, Russia, and the US. No single country is shouldering the entirety of the project. It's doubtful the ISS would even exist if not for the combined efforts of the cooperating countries. Since the ISS was constructed, it has had visitors from 15 different nations. The ISS is larger than most people realize. You may be surprised to find out that it's bigger than a 5-bedroom house. In fact, it's so large, it can be seen from Earth with the naked eye, and is the largest artificial satellite that has ever orbited Earth. The physical dimensions of the ISS are impressive. It's 171 feet long, 240 feet wide, and 90 feet high. There is a total of 15,000 cubic feet of space inside, and it weighs a whopping 412,000 pounds. Its main construction was completed between 1998 and 2011, although the station continually evolves to include new missions and experiments. So, viewers, we hope you enjoyed today's facts about the most expensive object ever built. If you do, please subscribe, like, share, and be with us for the next video tomorrow.